Hello everyone, welcome to Module 2, Qualitative Data Analysis Process. So in this module, we're going to talk about the preparation process, right? How you prepare your data for analysis. And at the end of this presentation, you should be able to prepare your data for analysis. So that's the kind of skill that you're going to gain from this lecture. I'm going to talk about three main topics, right? The first one is transcribing your data or transcribing your audios or video. And also the second one is assigning IDs to participants or IDs to your data set or the document that you are analyzing. And the last one will be deciding on what data analysis software to use. So these are the three things that I'll be talking about